Do you have a favorite something? Seriously, it's like most people have a favorite something. I don't know what it is. You think of like, whether it's a blanket or like a backpack or a hoodie or a sweatshirt or just a favorite pair of jeans. And you start to talk to people, there's always one word that comes up when you describe something that is your favorite. And it's comfortable. Oh, I don't know, I like it. Oh, they're just so comfortable. I love these jeans. They are so comfortable. If you like guys, and I'm sure there's like 3 or 5 of you who do, then you should probably know this very little simple tip. Guys like comfortable. Whether it's jeans or it's girls, we prefer the relaxed fit, non-threatening brand, not so confusing type of Levi's type of thing. Guys are not equipped, especially as teenagers, to deal with extremely complicated